Game over.
All right, I will go back to my house. We should not be playing at this time.
All right, Mom. I'm gonna go to sleep.
But your dinner?
About that, I'm not hungry at the moment. Wait, Mom. Why are you waking me up?
Come outside now, it's flooding. I'm gonna go. Just rum. At least you have Melon Jr.
I just wanna enjoy my chills, bro. The flood came out of thin air.
That was close. We could have drowned in our house.
All right, Pumpkin Jr., you know how to deal with this.
We might need to move to a boat. This boat should do. We don't know what else to expect.
To the roof, Melon Jr.
Hang on, folks.
Wait, Apple?
Sorry, but I'm his dad.
Oh, I didn't know you guys were twins. Sorry.
Naughty boy.
Leave me behind just like always.
I shouldn't have done it. Hang on. Breathe. There's a way out.
You suck. I believed in you.
I think we need to move out. Now we don't talk about this city anymore. That